Yo, what's up tech gang, Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the new LG Stylo 5 from Metro by T-Mobile. Stay tuned. Before I start the video, if you guys do want to pick up one of the new Tech Gang t-shirts, I will leave a link in the description down below. I have short sleeves and I have long sleeves. Short sleeves are only $20 and the long sleeves are $25. So if you guys do want to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, definitely think about picking up a t-shirt. Alright everyone, so I finally got this device. I'm super excited about this device. You guys do not even know. I know the specifications don't look amazing, but we're going to talk about those in a second. Now as far as the price goes, this was a lot cheaper than the Cricket wireless version. I remember getting the Cricket wireless version of the Stylo 5 and I'm pretty sure we paid over $320 for that, and that came with a $30 plan, so this is a lot more affordable. This phone ended up coming out to $79 just for the phone. I got the $60 plan and we got other taxes, fees, and stuff like that, obviously activation fee, so everything together was $175 for first month. Obviously you guys can change it from the 6 months plan later on, but this was $175 altogether with the plan paid for. Next, let's talk about the specifications. They are on the back of the phone right here. So as you guys see, the phone is 4G LTE enabled. We have Android 9.0 in this device, so we have the latest software on this device. We also have a 6.2 inch Full HD 18:9 display. So this is going to be a 1080p screen. We have a 13 megapixel rear facing camera. That's going to be a PDAF main camera. We also have a 5 megapixel front facing camera. And as far as the storage, we get 32 gigabytes of internal storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. Finally, we get 3 gigabytes of RAM on a Stylo. It's sad it wasn't 4, but 3 is definitely enough. We also can expand that up to 2 terabytes via micro SD card. The other thing that we have in this device is a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. Now with that processor, we are going to have the 450 Snapdragon, which kind of sucks because we had the 450 Snapdragon processor last year on the LG Stylo 4, so that kind of sucks. But other than that, I'm not going to complain anymore. I'm just going to review the phone and pretty much just take this phone how it is. Other phone features include fingerprint sensor and facial recognition, so we're definitely going to check that out later on in other videos. But let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright everyone, so we have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. We have the phone on top right here. We're going to talk about that in a second, but let's go ahead and put that aside. Next we have our SIM card. After that we have the LG Stylo 5 start guide, and on the back of that we have that in Spanish, and we also have a SIM ejector tool inside of here. Next we have our USB Type-C data cable, and last but not least we have our fast charging brick. So yes, this is fast charge capable, which is awesome. Alright everyone, so starting off with the back of the LG Stylo 5 from Metro by T-Mobile, we do have a new color. Now this color is called Platinum Gray, and I actually love this color. This color is really nice. This is definitely not a color I was expecting, but as you guys know, we did have black on Cricket wireless, and we also had the blonde rose that was basically just a pink. But the back of this one looks really nice. I definitely like this color. Now starting off with the back of the phone, we have the LG logo on the back. Now just above that we have the fingerprint sensor, and we have the 13 megapixel rear facing camera. Now right side of the phone we have our power button, but something I've noticed straight away is the very hard aluminum band around the phone. This is 100% metal, guys. They are definitely not playing around with the LG Stylo 5 from Metro by T-Mobile. This is all metal. Now I'm not sure if they had the same thing on the Cricket wireless version. I'm sure Kevin Breeze can correct me in the comments down below. But this is hard aluminum, guys, so this definitely feels super premium on the sides. Left side of the device we have our volume up and down button. We also have our SIM tray. Bottom of the phone we have your 3.5mm head jack. We also have our noise cancelling mic. We have both of our bands right here. We have our USB Type-C port. We have our bottom firing speaker, and we have the new stylus that is right here. And finally, LG, thank you for making it right-handed use, because we always had to go in here and take it out like that, but now we can just open it up like this. And it also has a little ridge right here, so you can go ahead and gets to this point and you could press it in, so it's definitely going to hold in better, a little bit better than the LG Stylo 4, but that's always great to see. Now obviously we have the front of the phone. We have our 5 megapixel front facing camera. We also have our headset at the top. I believe we do have a proximity light sensor at the front as well, and we also have this nice 6.2 inch full HD screen. Now just starting off, I already set up the fingerprint sensor earlier, but let's go ahead and test it out. 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty fast fingerprint sensor, pretty much the same as the LG Stylo 4, but it's definitely good nonetheless. Obviously we do have a little bit of bloatware on here that you guys can go ahead and delete if you would like to, so just go ahead and hold it, remove it like that. But we don't have too many apps that are bloatware. Obviously LG Smart World you know, My Metro app, but the rest of it looks pretty good. Now, I just want to go ahead and go into the phone application right here and just go ahead and verify that we have HD calling and video calling, because a lot of people want to know if we had those. Yes, we have those on this device, and a lot of people actually want to know what type of emojis we have. We have these type of emojis. So there you go. I'll probably do a separate video on this, but these are the type of emojis we have on the Stylo 5. It looks like on here you can actually make your own emojis by using the camera, which is actually really cool. I haven't seen this on another phone, so that's always a nice feature to have. So you guys can go ahead and take pictures, make emojis of yourself and stuff, so that's pretty cool. We also have draw messaging, so if you want to go ahead and take out the stylus right here and draw right here, you guys can go ahead and do so and play that. It's basically like the one that we see on the iPhone, and you guys can actually go ahead and send that, which is pretty cool. Now, this isn't the review, this is merely the unboxing, but I just want to go over a few more things before this video ends. We do have NFC, we do have DTS, 3D surround sound audio. Now, if you guys want to actually go ahead and turn that on, you do have to plug in some headphones for that to work, or you can use Bluetooth headphones, and it actually works very, very well. We also have file sharing at the bottom right here if you would like to use that. We have capture right there, so if you want to capture a screenshot, we have that. And we just have a few other things that are basically on every LG phone. Last thing I wanted to check out was the front facing camera on the LG Stylo 5, so let's go ahead and do that really quick. Check this out really quick. Take a front facing shot right now. Let's go ahead and turn this around. So it looks like we do have portrait mode on this phone, and I have to say, in the viewfinder it looks kind of trashy. Honestly, this camera doesn't even look better than the LG Stylo 4. It kind of looks a little worse, to be quite honest. Obviously I'm going to do the full review of the camera and all that, but right now, just looking at it, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a picture real quick. It kind of looks bad, honestly. It kind of looks bad. It kind of looks a little bit blurry. I'm gonna go ahead and post these on Instagram and Twitter, so if you guys aren't following me on those already, you guys need to go ahead and check that out. It's definitely not the best picture, but I'll go more into detail with that later. But so far, I'm kind of happy with my purchase, just because it was less than the Cricket wireless version. I only ended up paying $80 for the actual phone itself, so I'm not too pissed off about that. Honestly, the phone is what it is. It's kind of like the LG Stylo 4, but just with an extra gigabyte of RAM. I really don't see anything too different from the LG Stylo 4, but I'm definitely going to find out new things and probably show you some new stuff and basically show you the difference between the Stylo 4 and the Stylo 5 in a future video. I already have the Stylo 4 versus Stylo 5 Cricket wireless version, so you know, I'll probably go fuller into detail later on. But as far as it goes, this doesn't look like an amazing phone, but it looks decent for the price. So if you guys want to see more videos on this, definitely comment in the comment section down below and be vocal if you guys would like to see more videos. If not, definitely be vocal about that as well. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech King already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been some fun from TechRight. Peace out, Tech King.